I've been working with a team here at the training ground for a few weeks now. The idea is to get the whole team in sync with a single focus. If you felt me touch you, lift your right arm in the air. Where did you feel me touch you? Where did you feel me touch you?
Yeah. No te tocaba nada.
¿No ha tocado aquí?
How you do that? Explain me.
The more the players committed to the techniques, the better they connected on the field. And we started to see real results on match day. Some of the techniques that I'm working on might seem a bit unusual to them. You know, some of the players find them quite strange.
Just to try if it works. Okay.
That's no.
Hand me a nail.
¿Todos?
Just one. It's up to you.
Uno.
This one?
Sí.
Yeah.
Me voy a matar, ya verás que me voy a reventar el dedo.
Take out the nail. Look at the nail. Is it sharp? Is it sharp? Yeah?
Sí.
Is it solid at the top? And it will be impossible for you to break it, right? Try as hard as you can.
No.
It's not possible, right?
No, mira, es reventado. Yo digo, así voy a romper yo, pero...
Watch.
Es imposible, ¿no, tío?
Take a look at the nail. It's sharp on the point. That's solid, yeah? And then on the point, it's sharp.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it will be impossible for you to break it.
Yeah.
Try as hard as you can. Yeah? I want you to close your eyes. Really focus your mind on the nail. You notice an incredible force flowing through your body. In your shoulders, moving down your arms and into your hands. Open your eyes. Lewis, use all of your force to bend the nail.
No. How you do that?
How is possible? Yeah.
Okay. We need this to win Paris Saint-Germain.
This is about more than just bending nails. It's about believing in things that may seem impossible, as a simple belief can have incredible results.